Thank you. We are doing what we have been doing for the past week and a half. We are still working with angle pair relationships and determining whether lines are parallel or not. How do you know using those angle pair relationships if lines are parallel?
It's not that hard to figure out if it's parallel or not, as long as they just don't cross.
Right, but even if they don't cross in the picture, how can you prove that they're parallel? By using those. If you find the bottom four, same side interior, alternate exterior, corresponding, if you find that that is true for that picture, then they are automatically parallel. Okay? So, on this one, this has nothing to do with angle pair relationships on this example. It says ladders were used to move from level to level of cliff dwellings. Each rung on the ladder is parallel to the rung immediately below it. Explain why L is parallel to P. So what the problem's saying is that L is parallel to M is parallel to N, and N is parallel to P. So how can we say that L and P are parallel to each other?
Because if L and M are parallel, they're the closest one, L and M. And if they're parallel, then L and P have to be parallel because they're all facing the same direction.
Exactly.
They're all on a 180 plane.
If they're all parallel to each other after another, that means they are all parallel to each other. Okay?
They're all in the same direction.
Here, we've done this for like 5 days. Okay, how can we solve for x here to prove that they are parallel? What do we need to do first? What do we need to do first? How do we know how to set this up? We need to find the angle pair relationship first. Same side interior. Draw your box. Is on the inside or outside? Inside. Draw your line. Same side, opposite side. Same side. So we have same side interior. Okay. What does it say over here with same side interior? They equal 180. So how can I set this up to equal to 180?
2x plus 2 equals... No, 2x plus 2 plus 90 equals 180.
Good. Equals 180. Very good. Now we just need to solve for x. What do I need to do first?
Add
like terms.
Yep, add like terms. So we have 2x plus 92 equal to 180.
Minus 92.
Yep, subtract 92 on both sides.
88.
You do get 88. 2x equals 88. Last step. Divide by 2. What do we get for x? X equals 44. Nice job. Are we starting to get comfortable with those? Getting better? Okay. Last slide here. Use information in the diagram to explain why A and C are parallel. So we want to say why A and C are parallel. What does this symbol mean right here? That little arrow. Parallel. Which one's it parallel with? B. We have both of these signs here. Okay, does it say anything about A being parallel to C yet?
No.
No. What does this mean right here?
It's also parallel.
Parallel to what? C. So if A is parallel to B and C is parallel to B, can we assume that A and C are also parallel to each other? Yes. Good. Last one. 3. Find a value of x so that D is parallel to E. What's the first step when we have to find a value of x? Find the relationship. Is there a relationship on this one yet? No. So what did I tell you when you have a 90-degree angle? What are all the other 3 angles? They are also 90. So I'm just going to put a 90-degree angle over here. Now do we have an angle pair relationship?
Yes.
Yes, what is it? Blaze said it. Corresponding.
So it's going to be 90 on both on the other side as well.
They both have to equal 90. So how do we set that up as an equation to solve for x? What'd you say, Blaze? 5x plus 10.
5x plus 10 plus 90 equals 180.
Careful. What do we know about corresponding angles?
They're the same.
They're the same, so we need to do equals 90. Yep. So the only time we set it equal to 180 is when?
When it's same side interior.
When it's same side interior. Good. What's my next step to get x by itself?
Minus 10.
Subtract 10. So you get 5x equals 80. And then divide by 5. What do we get for x here? X equals 16. Awesome job, you guys.
What?
Any
X equals
questions?
16 for SSI too.
Hold that thought. Any questions over this stuff? Okay. Review today. You've seen all of this before. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.